Hello guys, today we will learn to find the largest number out of three numbers using Python programming. Let's start now. A is equal to integer input, enter the value of A. B is equal to integer input, enter the value of B. C is equal to integer input, enter the value of C. If A greater than B and A greater than C, then set largest is equal to A. If B greater than A and B greater than C, then set largest is equal to B. Otherwise, else largest is equal to C. Then print largest number is equal to comma largest. Then run this program. Enter the value of A 35, enter the value of B 69, enter the value of C 12. Then largest number is 69. Program done.